Assalamu alaikum. So today we will learn how to create a PNR. Okay, there is two way to make a PNR. One is fair shopping and another is from schedule. So today we will learn how to create a PNR from or using fair shopping command. Okay, first of all, this is our Galileo interface. Uh, uh, we will work here. Uh, who don't know what is Galileo, I will make another video. This is a GDS global distribution system. There are some GDS available out there. The most popular are Galileo and Amadeus and Sabre. So let's move on to our main topic, which is how to create a PNR. Okay, first of all, you need to if any customer or traveler comes to you and tell to you that he wants to fly from Dhaka to Kolkata on this April. This is the requirement from passenger. So now what you will do, you have two options to start. One is availability, from availability or schedule, and another is from fair shopping. So today we will learn how to create a PNR from or using fair shopping. So let's start. The fair shopping default entry is FS, which is fair shopping. FS, then we will put departure country or city ITA code, then date, then destination country or city. So this is the entry FS Dhaka 20 April CCU, which is Kolkata. Every cities or airport has its own IATA code. There is a way how to find the IATA code. There is actually two way, by using Google or by using GDS. You may find out how to what is the IATA code of that city. So I will not discuss about that. After pressing the FS Dhaka 20 April CCU, which is from Dhaka to Kolkata on 20 April, here comes a lot of pricing options. First of all, number one is 6E, which is Indigo. This is the airplane and this is the flight number 1108, and this X is plus. We will learn about class in next video or another video. I will try to make what is class and how to and radio code and others. So this is 20 April. This DSC is departure country or city or airport. This CCU is destination country, city or airport. This is the departure time. Aviation sector, the time is calculated by 24 hours. When it shows 0000, which is night, 12 a.m., which is 12 a.m., and if it shows like in this, it shows 1715, which is 5:15 p.m. Okay, let me tell you this one. This is US Bangla Airlines flight number, class 20 April, Dhaka to Kolkata. This is departure time 5:15 p.m. 5:45 p.m. is destination time, arrival time of this flight. The price will be shown here, 8,735 BDT. Okay, let's say your passenger tells you that he will fly with US Bangla Airlines. So what you will do? First of all, you will enter fair shopping entry with departure city and date and arrival or destination country. then this pricing option will comes up. Then your passenger tell you that I will fly with US Bangla Airlines. Then you need to click on book, this BOOK book. You need to click on this. The seat is sealed for you. Here you can see that seat is sealed for us. So you have to follow some steps. I will create notepad. Okay, first of all you have to put the passenger name entry. Then you have to put your agency information. Then you have to put ticketing time limit. Then you have to receive it. You have to end the transaction and retrieve it. Then you have to ignore and retrieve it. Okay, you have to follow these 5 steps. Okay, you have to put agency name first. You have to, first of all you have to put passenger name, then your agency information, then ticketing time limit, then you have to receive it, then end and retrieve the transaction, then ignore and retrieve the transaction. Okay, so I am going to show you how to, there is a format actually how to name the right. So you have to, first of all you have to put n dot last name, passengers like last name. Let's say passenger name is MEHEDI Hasan, so last name is Hasan, first name is MEHEDI. You have to follow you have to write it down as per passport. So first of all you need to collect the passport from the passenger, then you have to put the name as per passport. Okay, then first of all last name, and dot last name, let's say Hasan slash MEHEDI, MEHEDI. Okay, then you have to put this initial, like when your passenger is male adult you have to put Mr. MR. If your passenger is female adult married female, then you have to put MRS. If your passenger is adult but she is not married, you have to put MS. Okay, if your passenger is male child, you have to put MSTR as initial. If your passenger is female child, then you have to put MISS. Okay, I will try to explain in another video how to enter child name, infant name, and adult male, female, married male, female name. Okay, I will explain in another video. Okay, let's say we will make for create PNR for Mr. MEHEDI Hasan. Okay, you have to put this entry, which is name entry. I'm writing it down here so that it will be easy to get. Okay, in agency information you have to put P dot T star, which is display. In aviation, in ticketing we call it display, which is star. P dot T display space agency information. My agency name is Abdullah, ABDULLAH, Abdullah Air, AR over ACAS. This is my agency name. I have put my agency information. Then okay, then you have to put reference, like I'm here giving the reference of mine, let's say reference. Then you have to put your mobile number. This is mandatory, you have to put mobile number, then otherwise maybe an ADM will be issued for you. What is ADM, I will tell you later. What is ADM? In a short, ADM is kind of punishment from airlines for making mistakes in booking or in ticketing. Okay, we will talk in another video on that. So I am putting my phone number here. Okay, so this is agency information. Okay, then you have to put ticketing time limit. This is too short. T.T display. Okay, this is ticketing time limit. Then T.T display, enter. Then you have to receive it. Receive entry is R dot your name or initial. You can use R dot T. Okay, then you have to indent retrieve. So indent retrieve the transaction, which is ER, and ignore and retrieve is IR. If you put these things, your PNR will be ready. So let's go to make the PNR. Okay, then N.HASAN/MEHEDI Mr. You have to press enter. If this display comes up after entering your transaction, then that shows that you are going good, no error. This star means no error. Okay, then you have inserted your name. Look, this is the name. Then you have to put your agency information, P.P display, ABDULLAH Abdullah Air Overseas, ref R.TOWFIQ MOB, my phone number. Okay, you have to press enter. Look, it's showing a star. That means I am going good. I'm not making any mistakes. Okay, then you have to put T.T display, enter. R.TOWFIQ receive, indent retrieve, ignore and retrieve. Okay, here this is the PNR. 4270 Yankee Victor. This is the PNR of GDS system. And display, if you do display BL, okay, this is the airlines PNR. If you call for any assistance to the airlines, they will ask you tell me the PNR. Then you need to tell this PNR 0560 Zebra 0, this PNR to the airlines. If you need any help from GDS, then you have to tell them this PNR. So this is GDS PNR, this is GDS PNR, and this is airlines PNR. So you have made a booking, you have created a PNR. So this is the process of making the PNR. Okay, this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and others, so that they can learn it as well. Thanks for watching.